Want to work from home, for Google, and make serious cash? Imagine the freedom of working from the comfort of your own home, setting your own schedule, and still being part of one of the most innovative companies in the world. It might be easier than you think. With the rise of remote work, Google has expanded its opportunities for people to work from anywhere. Forget the rumors, scams, and get-rich-quick schemes. We're talking about real, legitimate opportunities that can provide a stable income and career growth. We're talking about real opportunities with Google, a company famous for its employee benefits and remote work culture. Google offers a variety of roles that can be done remotely, from technical positions to customer service and beyond. Now, I'm not saying it's a walk in the park. Working from home requires discipline and a good work ethic. You'll need skills, dedication, and maybe a decent internet connection. Setting up a productive home office environment is crucial to your success. But the potential is there, folks. With the right mindset and tools, you can achieve great things. Imagine ditching the commute, setting your own hours, and having more time for, well, whatever you want. More time for family, hobbies, or even just relaxing. This isn't about clicking ads in your pajamas. It's about real work that requires real skills. We're talking about legitimate jobs, often with competitive salaries. Think customer service, tech support, project management, and more, even roles in marketing or design. So, buckle up. The opportunities are vast and varied. We're about to dive into the world of working from home for Google. We'll explore the types of jobs available, the skills required, and how to stand out in your application. Get ready to learn how to find these jobs, what skills you might need, and how to make this dream a reality. Whether you're looking to start a new career or transition from your current job, working from home with Google could be the perfect opportunity for you. First things first, you need to know where to look. Google's job board is your new best friend. Head over to careers.google.com and start exploring. Don't just type in work from home. Be specific. Think about your skills. Are you a tech whiz, a customer service superstar? Use keywords related to your field. Try remote software engineer or virtual customer support specialist. See a job that interests you? Read the description carefully. Does it mention remote, virtual, or work from home? If not, it's probably not a remote position. Don't get discouraged if you don't find the perfect job right away. New positions open up all the time. Set up job alerts to be notified when something relevant pops up. Found a job that seems like a good fit? Great. Now it's time to craft the perfect application. Your resume and cover letter need to stand out from the crowd. Highlight your relevant skills and experience. Did you work remotely before? Mention it. Are you a whiz with technology? Emphasize those skills. Your cover letter is your chance to shine. Tell Google why you're the perfect person for this remote role. Show enthusiasm, passion, and a genuine interest in the position. Proofread everything carefully. Typos and grammatical errors are a big no-no. Have a friend or family member review your application before you hit submit. Remember, you're applying to Google, one of the most innovative companies in the world. Make sure your application reflects your best work. Now let's address the elephant in the room, that $90 an hour figure. While some specialized roles at Google might command such high hourly rates, it's important to be realistic. Entry-level remote positions may start at a lower hourly rate. Don't be disheartened. Google is known for its competitive salaries and excellent benefits. Focus on finding a role that aligns with your skills and interests. As you gain experience and expertise, your earning potential will naturally increase. Remember, building a successful career takes time and effort. Don't fall for scams promising unrealistic salaries. Focus on legitimate opportunities and be patient. Section 5. The perks of being a Google remote worker. Why would anyone want to work from home for Google? Well, the reasons are plenty and compelling. Well, where do I even begin? Let's start with the most obvious perks. Imagine this. No more soul-crushing commutes, no more wasting hours stuck in traffic or crammed into public transport. Uncomfortable office attire is a distant memory. You can work in your pajamas or whatever makes you feel comfortable, and you're the master of your own schedule. You can plan your day around your most productive hours. But it's not just about the freedom and flexibility, there's so much more to it. Google genuinely values its employees, even the remote ones. The company ensures that you feel appreciated and well taken care of. We're talking comprehensive health insurance, generous paid time off, and even mental health support. And let's not forget the opportunities for professional development. Google offers numerous online training sessions and virtual workshops. Plus, you get to be a part of a company that's constantly pushing the boundaries of technology and innovation. You can work on cutting-edge projects from the comfort of your home. It's not just a job, it's a fulfilling career. You get to celebrate milestones and feel a sense of accomplishment. It's a chance to contribute to something bigger than yourself. You can collaborate with a diverse team from around the world. And let's not forget the snacks. Working from home means you can have your favorite snacks within arm's reach. Okay, maybe you don't get the legendary Google cafeteria experience at home, but you can create your own snack haven. More room in the fridge for your own goodies, right? Customize your snack stash to your heart's content. Ultimately, being a Google remote worker means achieving a balanced work life, spending more time with family, and enjoying the little things in life. It's about feeling grateful for the opportunity to work for a company that truly cares about your well-being and professional growth. So if you're considering a remote position at Google, know that it's more than just a job. It's a lifestyle that offers countless perks and opportunities for growth. Section 6. Mastering remote work. Tips for beginners. Working from home might sound like a dream, but it requires discipline and a few tricks of the trade. It's not just about rolling out of bed and logging in. First and foremost, you need a dedicated workspace. This is crucial for maintaining focus and separating work from personal life. No, the couch doesn't count. While it might seem cozy, it can lead to poor posture and distractions. Find a quiet corner, set up a desk, and make it your own. Personalize it with items that inspire you, but keep it clutter-free. Good lighting is key, and don't skimp on a comfortable chair. Natural light can boost your mood and productivity, so position your desk near a window if possible. Your back will thank you later. Next, establish a routine. This helps in creating a sense of normalcy and keeps you on track. Just because you're not clocking in at an office doesn't mean you can't have a structured workday. Plan your day in advance, set priorities, and take regular breaks. Set clear working hours, and stick to them as much as possible. This helps in maintaining a work-life balance and prevents burnout. And for the love of all that is holy, communicate. Effective communication is the backbone of remote work. Keep your manager and colleagues in the loop about your progress and any challenges you might be facing. Use tools like Slack, Teams, or Zoom to stay connected. Regular check-ins can work wonders. They help in aligning goals, getting feedback, and feeling part of the team even when you're miles apart. Section 7. Essential tools for your home office. Now let's talk tech. Working remotely requires a reliable internet connection. Don't even try to get by with that ancient dial-up modem in your basement. Invest in a high-speed internet plan and make sure your computer is up to snuff. A decent webcam and headset are also crucial for video calls and meetings. Google provides its remote employees with the necessary software and tools, but it's up to you to create a functional and comfortable workspace. Oh, and noise-canceling headphones, consider them your new best friend. Trust me on this one. Section 8. Balancing work and life as a remote employee. One of the biggest challenges of working from home is, well, actually separating work from home. It's all too easy to blur those lines when your office is just down the hall. That's why setting boundaries is crucial. When you're off the clock, be truly off. Close your laptop, silence your work phone, and resist the urge to check your email every 5 minutes. Remember, you're working to live, not living to work. Make time for hobbies, spend time with loved ones, and recharge your batteries. A well-rested employee is a productive employee. Section 9. Staying motivated and productive at home. Let's face it, working from home can be distracting. Laundry, dishes, that tempting Netflix queue, they're all out to sabotage your productivity. The key is to minimize distractions and stay focused. Create a to-do list, prioritize tasks, and break down large projects into smaller, more manageable chunks. Don't be afraid to take breaks though. Step away from your computer, stretch your legs, and clear your head. A little fresh air can work wonders for your focus and creativity. Section 10. Embracing the Google remote work culture. Google has a vibrant and inclusive remote work culture. Even though you're not physically in an office, you're still very much a part of the team. Take advantage of opportunities to connect with your colleagues virtually. Join online meetings, participate in team-building activities, and don't be afraid to reach out to your manager or coworkers for support. Remember, you're not alone in this remote work journey. Google provides resources and support to help its remote employees thrive. Section 11, launching your remote career with Google. So, there you have it. Working from home for Google is a real possibility, offering flexibility, great benefits, and the chance to be a part of something truly innovative. It's not always easy, and it requires dedication, hard work, and a good internet connection. But with the right skills, a killer application, and a dash of determination, you can make this dream a reality. Remember, the world of work is changing, and remote opportunities are on the rise. Don't be afraid to embrace the flexibility and freedom that comes with working from home. Who knows, your dream job might be just a click away. Good luck.